For the dressing, I'm gonna make a balsamic Dijon that my husband really likes. It's so easy, and I just make it right in a mason jar. A couple of spoonfuls of grainy Dijon, some balsamic vinegar, a fat drizzle of honey for sweetness, a little dash of lemon, juice of half a lemon, a little granulated garlic, a granulated onion. And just because I have it in my house, you don't have to buy it. But if you have some fennel or fennel pollen or ground fennel, I like a little fennel in it because I put fennel in the salad a lot. And then olive oil. You want to use about 3 times as much olive oil as you do vinegar. So if you have 2 tablespoons of vinegar, you want to use about 5 to 6 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I just shake it. Keep it right in the jar. You can make a double batch, keep it in the fridge all week, or just dress as much salad as you need per night. For this salad to go with this particular pizza, I took some shaved fennel, some red onion, and lots of toasted hazelnuts, all chopped up in there for texture, and some dark greens and some sweet gem lettuce as well. Some green and purple lettuce, purple onions, fennel, the fennel fronds, and that hazelnut. It makes a delicious blend. I'm gonna show you what the pizza looks like. We got one resting in the back when we come back.